A very, very good afternoon to everybody.
Hello everyone, how is everyone feeling today? How is everyone feeling today? Good. Yes. We've had a lot of fun for the first session, so let's get real for this second one, which is a panel discussion.
So in Pathshala program, we have a lot of activities like we do role plays, we do a lot of skits, and then we have a lot of games also. We do a lot of icebreakers for the kids before we start the session.
Satisfactory part which I felt was when I went to a shelter home to distribute the food. I have seen the gratitude in their eyes.
हम लोग जब फर्स्ट टाइम फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे थे तो वहाँ पे ऐसे भी लोग थे जो 2 दिन से खाना नहीं खाए थे, तो वो एक जब हम खाना बांट रहे यानी फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे तो उनकी आँखों में से आंसू जा रहे थे, तो वो देख के ऐसा लगा कि भाई हम कुछ कर सकते हैं.
People don't go to schools, they are very irregular to schools, so we try enough ki we join them to residential schools which government provides. We try private schools who can help us so that the kids there can have good quality of education. That's the first step we do.
I will make sure that they should be connected with me. They should feel like Anna is asking me, so they should definitely should. So I maintain that connection so that they will giving me feedback instantly. Whenever I ask what happened, why you are not doing, they will instantly give me feedback.
Right now I take care of, I do the sessions for 13 plus age group, and last Sunday I did a session on gender discrimination.
Nowadays, everybody should know about their health, and because this is the basic, right? So that's the formula that I want it to be.
We focus on the SDG 4, that is education for all, and in that, when we see the stats for our Hyderabad specifically.
Hi guys, very very good afternoon. चिच्ची जोश नहीं है भाई. नको बोलते चल जा तुम में. Do you want me to go? I'll go then.
I remember seeing you a couple of times apart from my program or us meeting up. And what I've heard from other volunteers from gender program is Amara is a very hard-working volunteer, a very consistent volunteer, a very dependable volunteer.
So hello everyone, that was much of an introduction, though it's not true. Reflecting back to my journey, I believe Youngistan has played a very major role in my life. I've become very grateful.
Something we teach them and we get to learn from them. It's very much refreshing. So I spend the day, half of the Sunday is very much productive, I feel.
Actually, the kids have taught me a lot. The older kids usually used to control, like the way they control, the way they control the little kids. I don't have that personality to control, but I watch them, I actually take help from them, please help me with it. The way they talk sternly, the way they manage it, and the way they're composed when they do it, I learn from them.
So the basic needs of the human, right? The food, shelter and clothing. And this is what we deal with. And I'm very happy to be part of it.
I felt personally that this program is very much linked to the SDGs. So many of SDGs, what I think is, if you don't get proper nutrition, you will be hungry. And if you be hungry, then your health will be affected. Once your health is affected, you cannot contribute to any of the sort of things.
I learned public speaking. It's been 2 years in MHM, and I was also part of hunger program.
This is a question to the audience. I hope you're all aware of the 17 SDGs. Just in case you're not, all the 17 are there. Now, I would want anyone to come up with an 18th SDG.
Should be something that we should focus on women, child sex abuse, something like that.
In the Times Extended, you get Times of India, you get another supplement paper. There was one big article on Youngistan Foundation. And that's how I met Arun. And from 2013, May 11th, I am a volunteer and I love to be here.
I would like to request all of you to please give a huge round of applause to all the volunteers present here and who are not present here, because what I am going to present now is only because of these people who spare their time every weekend and go and do sessions. So thank you very much.
If you have seen the panel discussion so far, we started with the youngest in the organization. Then we've jumped to the 1 year, 2 year, 3 year volunteers. Now we are going beyond that.
Can we have another moderator, please? Anybody? No, but Resource Center, Swapna will answer that question.
I think I never felt it was challenging to manage because they are always so sweet. They they listen to me especially. So thank you so much for that.
So I've been with this Youngistan Foundation for the past 12 years. So I was at the inception stage and now I am leading the food program.
Yeah, so there are quite a few challenges which is there, I think, for every program. I mean, we exist because there are challenges.
So one thing that I think is that I usually do on field is that you don't go there as a teacher, you don't go there as somebody who has a lot of authority or anything like that. When you go to children, you just go as a sister to them, because they are not looking for a teacher to teach about these concepts. They are looking for somebody with whom they can open up and speak about it. So it's important that you give them that home kind of feeling.
We've all run around the room during the icebreaker, but I think there's rats running in my stomach. It's 2 almost. So let's go have some delicious lunch that has been prepared for us.
Cameraman sir, Bob ready? Start camera. Action.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो आप हमें जीने दो, जीने दो.
Na 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 na. Give me some sunshine. Give me some rain. Give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine. Give me some rain. Give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.